Alright, we're going to try and use a lift here to get the body tub off of the chassis on this YJ. Let's see how this goes. We had started to lift it and we were lifting the back of the Jeep because the person that took the body mount bolts off forgot to remove the two body mount bolts that are under the center of the bed. There's a cross member in front of the gas tank and there's two bolts up under there. I've actually had a junkyard in the past where I bought a body tub and they forgot to do that, and they lifted the body tub with a machine and folded the body tub in half and destroyed it. So always check to make sure you have those two back mounts undone. Go ahead, push the button. Stop. Alright, let's look in the check. Go up front and look. I'll look under here. Stay up there. We're gonna have to undo. It looks like the vent on the back rear is screwed to the bottom of the body, but it needs to get up a little higher. And let's see this. How's the front look?
So far as what I can see, I don't see anything hooked up here.
Okay, take it up a little more, bud.
Okay. Line up.
What was that? Alright, this vent's undone. It was just a metal tab. It wasn't even bolted on. It's just a little metal tab welded to the body tub. What was that noise up front?
I don't know.
Make sure we're not pulling the harness so much.
It's probably the shifter.
Are we that high already? Let's see. No, we're not hitting the shifter yet. And actually, if we go straight up, we won't hit the shifter at all. No, it's the four-wheel drive shifter. There's nothing we can do about that.
A little bit higher.
Yeah, take it up a little more.
I heard that.
It's okay. It's the four-wheel drive shifter. There's nothing we can do. We're almost past it. A little more.
I can't go any higher.
Yeah, you can. Just push the button. Push the button until I tell you to stop. Alright, stop. Clear everything now?
Well, as far as I can see,
Okay.
from up here,
Everything up there. Come back here with the camera. So, up inside here, now that the fuel hoses are out of the way, straight in here, inside the fuel hole, just the camera person will get it in here. There's a bolt straight inside there. That's going to be the top of the breather for the back rear, so we just got to undo that. And then I believe we're going to be clear. I don't see anything else back here. Go ahead and pause it. Yeah, we're clear of everything. Just go all the way up. We're going to be able to roll the chat. Keep going. We got to roll the chat. Having a lift in your garage, in your home garage. So we're going to set it down. Okay, we're down the locks, and we are safe now. And now, look at this. Now you can really see how bad this chassis was. So back here, I showed in the first video, I think. there's nothing. You have a little bit of metal on the top. The rest of it's gone. When I was underneath it here, that's gone. All up under here. This is actually separated. So this is about ready probably for the transmission cross member to break away from the frame, or the frame to just break right here. So I know they sell patch kits and stuff like that, but as far as I'm concerned, it is not safe to patch and repair these frames, because this is usually the condition I see them in the Northeast. And the body tub, look at all that rust. Those were already rusted off of the muffler. You know, this tub I guess may have been salvageable for an off-road vehicle or something. Maybe somebody could use it. It doesn't look horrible underneath, but for my purposes, it's not worth messing with, because everywhere as you look, there's rust and rot and holes. So now we're going to get this pushed outside and power wash all this down, and we'll get this tub put on a cart and get it rolled outside, out of the way, and get this wheel back in, get the drive shafts off, disconnect the fuel lines, whatever else we need to get disconnected, pull the drivetrain. I've got to cut the motor mounts away from the frame because somebody removed them from the donor frame. That way we can set this whole drivetrain down on the donor frame and get those positioned properly so I can get them welded onto the new frame. We get the rear swapped over. I haven't decided yet if we're going to use these springs or if we just use the springs that are on the donor frame. So plenty more to come, but we're getting there.